Hey folks, Scotty from the Grondman team back again. Last week we touched base on principal residence exemption / property transfer taxes, and I want to explain that a little bit more. Wood TV, 8, WZZM, etc. brought up a pretty interesting thing that I didn't even know anything about. If you sold your principal residence in the last 4.5 years, I really want you to get some paperwork together and give us a call, because you might be due a refund. One gentleman, just $1,500 he's getting back. If your SEV value, which is listed right next to your taxable value on your tax statement, if that was less when you sold your house than when you bought it, there's a very good chance you could be due a refund for the full property transfer tax that was paid to the state of Michigan at that time. If you want to make this super simple, I know it gets pretty complicated, sounds pretty harsh, but get us your address, get us your tax statements or your HUD. We'd be more than happy to look it up. There's no charge. We'd be more than happy to help you file it. But it's really interesting. Like I said earlier, one client, $1,500 he's getting back for his property, even though he sold it for more than he bought it for. SEV was changed. So with that being said, email us, call us. Let's take a look at this. Let's see if we can get a few bucks in your pocket at no charge, free. Maybe a stamp, 41 cents, whatever they are nowadays. But with that being said, give us a call. Let's put it together. And coming up next week, we're going to meet our lenders. Lenders that we use on a pretty regular basis. We're going to drill them with some pretty hard questions. Let's put them on the spot, give them a hard time. So what someone's going to go through for lending, what's going to go on with first-time buyers, conventional, FHA, RD, just kind of get wiser, learn a little bit about the lending trade. With all that being said, remember, mega open house coming up the end of this month. We're going to be putting out some pretty heavy advertising pretty soon. If you want to get your house in on that, we have about another 2 weeks. Once again, Scotty from the Grondman team. Tune in next week for our lenders. Give us a call.